What do we do here for Freedom? We are a distributor of board-level electronic components. I would imagine that if I was going to say what we actually do here is we solve problems. Our niche in this industry is that we're not the big franchise distributor, we're not the multi-billion-dollar corporations with dozens and dozens or hundreds and hundreds or thousands and thousands of shareholders. Why do you buy from Freedom? You buy from Freedom because we're willing to do what it takes to earn your business. We're capable of doing the things that will earn your business. We're proud that we can offer the things that make it possible for you to run your business. We give you the things that the franchise distributors do not. We offer you the long and short-term schedules. We offer you the flexibility. We offer you the type of behavior that's conducive to more opportunity, more business, sensible solutions to legitimate problems. We're willing to go long on schedules. We're willing to go short on schedules. We're willing to be flexible on prices. We're also very, very interested in cost savings, and I think that's important to everybody. So I think, why do you buy from Freedom? Because we have all the bells and whistles. We're a little bit smaller profile, and we're very flexible.